Welcome to our training on best practices for getting reviews and ratings. In this training, you'll learn how to accurately represent your product on your product detail page, how to provide a great order experience for customers, and how to use Feedback Manager. When a customer buys a product in the Amazon store, they can choose to leave a product review and a seller feedback rating. A product review is a customer's description of a product's quality, function, and usefulness. A seller feedback rating reflects how a customer feels about a seller's reliability, the quality of a seller's products, and the overall fulfillment experience. Reviews and ratings are key to the Amazon shopping experience. Customers often refer to other customers' reviews and ratings to make informed buying decisions. Getting reviews and ratings can take time. Let's go over 3 best practices you can follow to improve your chances of getting reviews and ratings. The first best practice is to accurately present your product on your product detail page. This page includes a product's title, images, description, variations like size and color, and bullet points highlighting key features. When customers place an order in the Amazon store, they expect the product to arrive exactly as it's presented on the product detail page. To ensure your product is accurately represented, use multiple high-quality images to showcase product features from different angles. Provide important product information in your title, description, and bullet points. And highlight key features customers should consider, such as product dimensions, age appropriateness, ideal product conditions, and more. By accurately representing your product on your product detail page, customers will know exactly what to expect, and you'll improve your chances for getting reviews and ratings. A second best practice is to provide a great order experience for customers. To do this, consider the following. Ensure your product packaging protects your product from damage during transit to the customer. Ship all orders on time so they arrive within the time frame you provide. Ensure your inventory quantity is correct. If it's incorrect, your customers might buy products that are out of stock. Offer customers full refunds for products returned within 30 days of purchase. Acknowledge and reply to all customer messages within 24 hours. Provide tracking IDs to help customers track the delivery of their shipments. Or send your products to Fulfillment by Amazon or FBA. With FBA, Amazon stores your inventory, ships your orders, and handles returns and customer service. Finally, a third best practice is to manage and track buyer satisfaction with your service using Feedback Manager. To access this, sign in to Seller Central. Hover over Performance and select Feedback. The Recent Feedback section of this page lets you view customer feedback comments and post a public reply. Customer feedback in this section is ordered by the date it's received and accompanied by a product's corresponding ID number and customer rating. For more information about Feedback Manager, search for About Feedback Manager in Seller Central. This concludes our training on best practices for getting reviews and ratings. You now have the tools to increase your chances of getting reviews and ratings. Thank you, and happy selling in the Amazon store!